I'm just gonna include a little timestamp here where you can actually skip ahead to the unboxing because I'm feeling a little chatty today and I gotta explain some things. So go to this time length if you actually want to see the unboxing. Okay, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Zaya and today I am going to be starting a new series on my channel. This is so weird. I feel like every single video I upload I'm like, I'm gonna be starting a new series on my channel. But I think this is one that I really am going to be able to like stick to and post to consistently, and here's why. So I recently made a very impulsive purchase. And I took a little bit of insight into my spending habits and realized this is something I do all the time. I'm such an impulsive buyer, and the reason that I do it is because if I just have like one minor inconvenience, I just will buy myself something in efforts to hopefully get myself through whatever minor inconvenience or emotional turbulence that has decided to hit me. And then once I get past that, I get some kind of package in the mail because of course this is all online, you know, when I'm having an off day, I don't want to go shopping in person. And then it gets to my house and I realize that wasn't the smartest decision. So actually the first thing that I was gonna do on this channel was my iPhone XS Max, which I probably talked about 20 times since I got it not even a week ago, but here I am talking about it again. But I kind of dropped the ball on that one and just unboxed it without filming it. So this package I got in the mail literally just a week later.
Shows how much of a consistent problem this is.
I'm just gonna be unboxing it. If this is your first time ever watching my videos, which it probably is, make sure to go down there, hit that subscribe button, and also like this video. It helps me a lot. I post here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so there's no shortage of content on this channel. Yeah, let's get into it. So kind of what I want to do with this is also explain the backstory as to like why this item has came into my life. So I got this box on my doorstep
yesterday,
and at first I was like,
I don't think I ordered anything.
And then I remembered I did order one little $220 thing
that I just completely must have forgotten about.
Here is my impulse buy that I totally
regret
buying. But what makes this even worse is in big letters on the website it says all sales are final, there's no returns or modifications. So I'm stuck with these. These are definitely an impulse buy that I'm
not the most proud of.
It was the day before the new iPhones came out. There was a whole bunch of impulse buying during those 2 days. It was kind of one of those days where it's like, I have this habit where I put everything off until the last minute in hopes that everything will go perfectly, and then when it doesn't, I
panic.
This was one of those days, so I put just a lot of assignments and everything off. I was just building it, and I was like, I'll just do it Thursday, I'll just do it Thursday, I'll just do it Thursday. And then Thursday got there, and I realized I had a bunch of assignments and just miscellaneous things to do, and I didn't know how to do any of them, so I was
stressed out.
It wasn't like a terrible day. Like I certainly didn't wake up at like 6 a.m. and do yoga and align my chakras, but I also wasn't like crying in the Target parking lot. And so instead of being proactive and doing those things that I should probably do, I instead checked my email and saw that there was a nice little early access code to these, and I bought them. I also bought the pack of socks with these, and not seeing them in the box.
These must be those new invisible socks, I guess. Ta-da!
Here they are! Oh my gosh! So I've actually never seen a pair of these shoes before, ever. I think in high school maybe like one person got like a bootleg pair of them, and they certainly didn't look anything like this.
Yeah, these are cool.
These are very white, which I should have known that because the color of these is literally
triple white.
And the problem with that is where I live, there's a lot of like red dirt and stuff. It's not too forgiving of white sneakers, especially $220 ones.
I don't know if I'll be wearing these that much.
They're not ugly though. I like really like them.
I like really like them actually.
Anyways, so after my Thursday kind of debacle about not being able to do anything right, and I was able to like power through everything that I needed to do. It was super cool. And then I basically forgot that I ordered anything until, yesterday when these literally showed up on my door, and then I remembered.
Oh my god, in the midst of my emotional breakdown, I bought a pair of Yeezys.
Okay, well, here these are. This is it. And before anybody goes on here and says like,
well, you only got these because they were the most widely released pair.
Yeah, that's true, because I'm not gonna pay thousands of dollars for a pair of these shoes from some third-party person. I don't know why I bought these.
I really don't.
These are definitely something that I kind of regret buying because it's like, I'm not gonna be able to wear these
ever.
But
they're mine.
And every time I look at these, it's a reminder of my terrible, awful spending habits that I'm so irresponsible, and I just impulse buy a lot of things.
This was very short, but
that's the first episode of my series, I guess. Impulse shopping for me isn't like a coping mechanism at this point for this like the stressors of life. It is a general lifestyle, like the camera I'm recording this on.
That was an impulse buy.
My Apple Watch?
Impulse buy.
Laptop I'm using to edit this on.
Impulse buy.
cell phone.
Impulse buy.
And we're back. My camera died. So yeah, here are the shoes. We'll probably never wear them.
They'll probably just sit in my closet.
That is all for today's video. If you did like this video or like this idea, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. And also please consider subscribing, it helps me a lot. I post here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so there is no shortage of content on this channel. And also, if you like this series, don't worry, there's probably gonna be a lot more because I make so many impulse buys because every single time I have a minor inconvenience, I just will buy something that I shouldn't be buying. All right, I'm gonna go now. Thank you so much for watching, and all right, bye.